Hi, I'm Lucas Tree in Python 1. In this project, I made a password game and a RPG game. This project was inspired by the real password game. It's a real game. During class, I learned about print and functions, which I used in my code. Print makes things print on the project. Functions make it so that you can use the code over and over again. In my game, I used print to make things like game over on my password game, and I made a password game function. Oh yeah, that one. Yes, sir. And then welcome to Lucas's gaming experience, and then you choose 1 for RPG and 2 for password game. I'll choose 1. Oh wait. No. Alright, so you are in your house, but then you see the FBI outside your house trying to bring you to lifetime jail. What would you like to do? I'm just gonna win. So I'm gonna give up and get shot first. and then would you rather revive as a ghost or rest in peace? Revive as a ghost. And then you take revenge on everyone who stood in your way. Okay, as for the password game.
You win?
For the password game.
When you
one.
click the,
You put an X.
go back to the code, you accidentally typed in the 1, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It's so hard. Alright, 2. I'm not gonna do this. This is too hard. Alright, so your password needs to have 5 characters long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The name of the 3 most populated countries in the correct order. So I think it was India, China, and then United States. Yes, sir. And then I have to protect Bob. Oh no, okay. Wait.
You might have to run it again.
Oh, dang it. Okay. 2. And oh, predict Bob. Bob isn't working. Where's Bob? What is this? What is this? How do
Slowly, yeah, Control C,
Oh.
Control it. Yes, now it works.
include month of the year? The date changes. It's February. I hope that's how we spell it.
No,
No.
FEBR.
RUAR.
Wait.
February, right?
Yeah, February, yeah.
February.
Oh, delete the middle R.
Where did that come from?
Don't even
Oh,
remember
no.
that.
That's weird, it's weird.
No.
Remember the first R, right? Delete
Okay.
the first R, right?
This is too okay.
ARY. Nice.
Finally, your house is burning. Protect Bob using. Okay, I'm not doing the whole thing, but that's basically like that. I'm not doing the whole thing. It's too hard. And then my favorite part about doing this game, this project, is doing the password game. Cause and if I were to continue to work on this project, I would add more rules to the password game to make it harder, add more to the story in the RPG game, and add more functions. Yeah, thank you.
Nice. That's perfect.